Please, you don't need to break the bank. You don't need to look for new clothes. You don't need to go and hire new places for you to start making money online. This is 2026 and it is February. I'm recording this at the comfort of my kitchen. You can record this video from anywhere. What exactly do you need? You need to focus. Irrespective of what you want to brand, it's not for you beginners, it's not right now. Don't delay. You only need a smartphone. You need what you want to fight against, what you want to preach, and you need data. The second one, you need consistency. You guys, money does not come from fancy clothes, fancy household, fancy chairs, fancy camera. No, money comes from attention. Now this February, let me give you this. I want you to go and get your seat. A seat, you can get it anywhere. You can be standing. You can be walking. It depends on what you're going to do. Now, how much do you think you can earn? Today, I want to tell you, if you're a creator and you're not thinking of making a video and you want to get money, don't ask that question, how much you earn. Let's dive in. I show you exactly what are the different ways for you to make money in a simple way. This video is going to be short and precise, but a disclaimer, I'm not telling you that the moment you make this video or you start online entrepreneurship, you're going to get a vehicle of your dreams, you're going to solve all things. No. What you're going to do, you're going to be on a roadmap or on a road to make your dreams come true. More people have made it, why not you? So there are different ways of you making money. You don't need to be fixated. This morning, my friend sent me, he has been I love him so much. He has been one of the guys that has helped me push on with my content creation and my education trainings. Is one of the, should I call him my role model? I admire how he does his things. So he sent me the link over his book. You can even check it in our description. He wrote a book about mindset, and I was very happy about it. So one of the ways for you to make money, it is digital products. And what are these digital products? You can write a book, you can write templates, you can write newsletters daily, you can write blogs and any other thing that you can write. I'm earning from posts, text on Facebook. You can even excel it. There are other platforms that you can put this. The second one is what I'm doing. You can see I'm going to make this video. You can do reels, you can do videos, you can do shorts, you can do TikTok. I'm going to do this video, I'm going to put it on Facebook, I'm going to put it on YouTube, I'm going to put it on TikTok. So it means I will earn in different ways. Then another way you can, out of this same video, I'm going to take a photo. Like for example, I do like this. I'll make sure I take a screenshot, me sipping. And I will be letting them, what am I sipping? Even if I don't put a caption, I'll earn money. So this is another way of making money with your smartphone, is photos. That is the third one. The fourth one, you can make money with your smartphone by selling products. Selling products doesn't mean that you need to have a shop. No. You can go outside, take photos, put on your status, put on your Facebook, put on your Instagram, and all that. But that one will require, in details, you will require to have contacts, because people who watch your your profile should be in your contacts, and you can develop your contacts. How do you develop your contacts? On Facebook, join groups. Join groups. Be active. Post something small. You don't need to put your face. Yes, that is a fourth way. The fifth way of making money, it is using your skill. Say your skill. How do you say your skill? Do you know there's someone out there who knows how to edit this video than me? Be in my inbox. Be in people's inbox, or put it on your status that you can do it. You can edit. You can make a thumbnail. You can make transcripts. You can do voiceovers. These are things that you don't need to go school. These are the things that you don't need even to go for a master's degree. No, you can do it at the comfort of your home. Last but not least, how do you make money? You can make money with your smartphone by doing tasks. I think in our previous video, I'll be bringing a detailed video, but in our previous video, I showed you how my first $100, I got it from one of the platform called Paid Work. So these tasks are legit. It depends on which platform you go to. Like, you get legit platforms do tasks in form of surveys, in form of playing video ads, in form of doing shopping, and many more. You might ask yourself, where do they gain from? Mark you, there is no any product that goes to the market without being surveyed on, without being tested. So you'll be one of the testers. Now the world has gone digital. They don't call someone out there to come and test the product. No, they'll put it and you'll test it. So that is another way. The last but not least, this one I call it a pro tip. There are different platforms that they're selling photos. You can sell photos not for you, but for different seasons. You can even get them maybe environment, for Christmas, for Valentine's. Right now, I would be imagining you in Shutterstock. This is one of the platforms that sells. You can sell photos. So there are very many different ways. So in this February, I don't expect any excuse. For a person who has been watching the Market Show, for a person who has been holding a phone, and you're just scrolling, you have an excuse, I don't have a good environment. By the way, this background you're seeing is not my background. I just put a background, and this one you can also do it. So if you want to do the background, put it in the comment section. I'll come to you and I will let you know how to do the background. So don't have an excuse. And it's better for you. Yes, it's better for you. Please, if you're a creator, don't fail to make a video today. Bye-bye. Disclaimer, this video is for education purposes. We give you 10% of the knowledge. The 90% you should go and research. If you want to take it, you take it. So treat this video as educational video. We are not financial buoyant. No.